Hey friend, welcome to Rockin' the Retired Life. Today on our channel, we're going to cover 5 ways to earn income, to actually make money online, whether you're retired, you're over 50, you're trying to supplement your income and you want to get into making money online. These are 5 ways you can do it. All right, let's jump into the very first way. And I know this works because I've personally experienced success with it myself. It's actually helped us to supplement our income, and that is starting an online e-commerce store. For example, eBay, great place to start. If you've got items that you can resell, or if you have a gift for finding items that are able to be resold for a profit, you might be a good prospect for an eBay online store. And the cool thing about it is it's very easy to get started. You just go to ebay.com and sign up. Now, I will make a recommendation. If you're going to get serious about this and treat it like a business, like I did, you want to start an LLC or a business, sole proprietorship or a partnership, a corporation, whatever it is. Talk to your professional, your tax professional, your legal professional, if you've got questions about that. But starting an eBay store is very simple. It's easy to do. We started with finding things that we just wanted to get rid of. We wanted to downsize and didn't want to have to look at boxes and boxes of things that we were saving and accumulating for years and years. So we started an eBay store, and we're still finding items all the time that we can resell in that store. Now, I'm a music lover, so one type of item that I like to sell, and I've been very successful with, is vinyl records. And that's really what got me started right after I retired on the eBay store, was to hunt down vinyl records and resell them for a profit. And it wasn't easy, it's still not easy, but I enjoy it. So it's also helpful if you enjoy reselling, if you like going to antique stores, yard sales, garage sales, estate sales, things like that, and you're able to find items that you can resell for a profit. An online reselling business can turn into a profitable venture. Okay, let's look at the second way to earn money online. Monetize your passion. What do I mean by that? What are you passionate about? You can see behind me, I've got guitars and amps and things. I'm passionate about music, teaching people to play the guitar, playing the guitar, learning songs, things like that. That's my passion. So I found a way to monetize it. Maybe you are a preacher or a lawyer, or you're a retired accountant. Think of ways that you could monetize what you're most passionate about, things that you already know about. We call that a niche or a niche. So you've got to pick a niche and monetize that. That's what I did with my guitar. I decided to create a guitar school and teach guitar lessons. And that was a way that I could monetize my passion after I took early retirement. That's just one example. There's lots of ways, though, to monetize your passion online. And that takes us to the third way to make money online. In my opinion, another great way to make money online, and we've tried this one and we're still doing it today, and you're actually right here, right now on YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. If you're already doing something, I'll use a great example. You're a preacher, you're delivering a message every week. Hit the record button, record videos, and share it on YouTube. You like to travel, you've got an RV. Hit the record button, start a YouTube channel, put it on YouTube. There's nothing to stop you from monetizing what you're passionate about if you start a YouTube channel. So many different niches and different things are available on YouTube that people want to see. You might be the answer to somebody's question about how to do something. Now, how do you do that on YouTube? Well, basically, there's several different ways to monetize on YouTube. The number one way that most people go after is by having a high enough subscriber account, which requires 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours. Once you reach those two levels, you can become monetized on YouTube by getting paid for advertising. Getting monetized through YouTube ads is a great way to make passive income. One of my other YouTube channels is well over 1,000 subscribers. And the reason I'm so excited about it is because it involves my passion, which is teaching people how to play the guitar. So every time I make a video, I'm helping more people learn to play the guitar, answering specific questions about what they want to know about guitar. So it's exciting for me. But there's more ways than that to make money on YouTube. Another great way is, number 4, create a digital product. What is a digital product? A digital product is something that you do one time and it pays you over and over. You do the work once and it continues to pay you. A good example is a course. So let's say that you are a builder. You build homes and you decide to record the process of how to build a house. You turn that process into a course, how to build a house, and then you tell people on your YouTube channel all about building houses and how they can get your course. You charge for the course, for the knowledge that the people are going to be getting on how to build a house, and that is how you make passive income through your YouTube channel by providing resources to people that want them. So that leads us to the 5th way to make money online using your YouTube channel, for example, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply taking a product that you believe in and selling that product, even though you didn't create it. It's coming from another source, but you are helping that other source to get that product out there in the marketplace and recommend it through your videos. A good example of that is that we made a video about our Trailino composting toilet, and we had such a large response, and I'll put a link to that video in the description, that we decided to become affiliate marketers for Trailino. We believe in the product. It's a great product. We use it all the time because we go off grid a lot. So now we are in the business of being affiliate marketers for Trailino. And it's a wonderful feeling to help connect people to products that they need, that they want, and to make a commission on that. So that can also create passive income for you online utilizing affiliate marketing. Other places that you can check on for affiliate marketing are Amazon Associates, for example. With the Amazon Associates program, you just simply need to go to Amazon.com and seek out the Associates program. You'll learn all the rules. You'll learn how to apply. It's a very easy process. And the next step after that is simply to make sure that you're making videos, telling people about the products on Amazon, and you'll earn a commission when people click on your paid links. So there you go. Those are the 5 ways that I know of and I've personally experienced how to make money online to get passive income, supplement your current income, to help you in retirement if you're trying to earn money out on the road, if you're full-time RVing, whatever the case may be. It's a new world out there and there's so much opportunity. We wish you the best and we can't wait to see you in the next video.